Aloha, and thank you guys for tuning in to episode 2 of World Traveler. And I guess we're going to talk about Hawaii? Hawaii, the 50th most state in the United States of America. If you're from the United States, you know Hawaii as a place of paradise, surfing, relaxation, and beauty. But there's so much more to Hawaii that meets the eye. In this video, I will briefly tell you guys some of the things about Hawaii that us United States Americans should know. In the summer of 2014, I went on a trip with 2 professors and 11 other students. We first took off from Houston, Texas and had a layover in Fresno, California. But since we're not talking about California, we're gonna go straight to Hawaii. Hawaii is about 2,400 miles away from the Pacific coast, which makes Hawaii the most isolated island chain in the world. Hawaii consists of 8 islands, and the biggest one is the Big Island. We first landed in Kona, which was very dry, and that's because Kona is on the leeward side of the mountain, which means that this side gets less rain. Then the windward side, which is where HILO is located. When I was in HILO, there was a big difference in weather and vegetation. Well, welcome to HILO, the wet side of Hawaii, where everything is wetter and a little bit better. HILO's on the east side of Hawaii, which is the windward side of Hawaii, which means you get a lot of precipitation and a lot of wetness. On this side, y'all can see that we have a waterfall. Whoa! We're at Kakua Park, which is also Kakua Beach, where the river meets the ocean. Yeah. The reason for these different weather patterns and weather situations on the island is because Hawaii holds 11 of the 13 known biomes in the world. That means that Hawaii can be a haven for anybody, anywhere. Hawaii has so many interesting things to talk about, but I just don't have enough time. So until then, spread universal love, because that's the only way that we can be human.